Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have this practically brand new Kawasaki Z Pro. This is a really cool 125, a street legal bike that they came out with a couple years back. This is a 2017, only it has 134 miles and is offered for $29.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. As you'll see, still has all the nubs on the tires, just barely broken in. It's a 4-speed, like I said, 4-speed street legal bike, super fun for riding around the neighborhood, taking to BART, the grocery store. You could use it as a pit bike. Tons of good uses for this. You'll save about $500 off a brand new one. Come on down to Contra Costa Powersports and check it out. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.